hope you're having a super sparkly day. I'm recording this on, well, obviously if you guys have been in class all day, you see I'm recording this in my red sweater. So this was October 21st. So I'm going to record an article reading that you guys are going to do another 5W1H for October 26th. We're not going to do a Chieftain or Denver Post article because I can't get to a copy machine right now to do it in a PDF form because I'm not going to go anywhere where I get sick. And if I go anywhere and I get sick, and my mom's going to be mad at me. Okay, so we're going to do it based off of this KOA Pueblo COVID call for action site. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link, like I'm clicking on it. We're going to read this article from October 21st. And you're going to do a 5W1H on this article. I will click and get rid of some of these ads as they go. Pueblo leaders call for action amidst sharp rise in COVID-19 cases. Over 200 cases reported in the past week. That was the week of October 14th. And we look at the chart, we can see how the cases have risen. By Colette Bourdion. Posted October 21st, 2020. That's very big, children, because that would be the win. Pueblo. Pueblo County has seen over 200 positive coronavirus cases in the last 7 days. Now October has the highest number of cases for the entire year, and Pueblo is at risk of losing their variances, which would be another economic hit. Up to this point, Pueblo has had a relatively low amount of COVID-19 cases in the community. Unfortunately, over the last couple of weeks, numbers have taken a turn for the worse. As of October 20th, there were 413 positive cases reported, which is more than any month so far. Currently, Pueblo County is at the safe-at-home level 2 concern on the Colorado COVID-19 dial. However, numbers are pushing the county towards level 3 high-risk stage. That means businesses would be at 25% capacity. Our variances would go away. So please, everyone step up and help, said Public Health Director for Pueblo County, Randy Evitz. Pueblo County was notified on Friday, October 16th, by the State Health Department that there must be changes in their metrics in 2 weeks. Otherwise, they will have to move to greater restrictions. The 2-week time period started on Friday, and according to those with the State Health Department, they notified counties after 3 days of elevated metrics. After 2 weeks, if metrics are still outside of the level 2 range, Pueblo would have to submit a mitigation plan to the state. Local Pueblo leaders urge citizens to treat the holidays differently this year. They believe a source of the spread has been small family gatherings, which have gradually grown larger as time has passed. The choice you make around the Thanksgiving holiday will affect Christmas. Spending Thanksgiving with your extended family in a large group might mean that a number of your family is going to spend Christmas in the ICU or on a ventilator. I think you need to take that into consideration this year as you make those holiday plans, said Pueblo Mayor Nick Gradishar. Pueblo County Health and Environment, along with the city and county, are working to hire more people to the health department to help with things like contact tracing, case investigation, and enforcement. Those with public health discuss the time it takes to develop a vaccine normally, which is around 2 to 3 years. However, certain platforms have sped that process up, and they anticipate the vaccine could be made available for high-risk populations by the end of the year. They hope it could be ready for the general public by next year. But guess what? The vaccine is not going to be 100% effective. We're still going to use the same precautions. Right now, less than 50% of the people get the flu vaccine. My guess is that a lot of people won't take the COVID vaccine as well, said Dr. Christopher Urbina, the medical officer for Pueblo County Health and Environment. Pueblo County Public Health and Environment. Familiar precautions like social distancing, good hygiene, and wearing a face mask are all encouraged by Pueblo County officials. However, many said the people of Pueblo have been working hard to follow those guidelines. Most people are wearing masks. Every once in a while you run into somebody who's not. But I think overall, yes, they're doing a great job, said Oliver Sample, who's lived in Pueblo for 64 years. Dr. Urbina did say there have been very few positive results among those tested from the homeless population. Okay, so now you guys are going to do a 5W1H on what I read. You are able to go back into this article and keep going through it to, again, find the who is it about, what is it about, when is it, where is it, why did the what happen, how did the why and the what happen. And then you take all 6 of those and you create a short 2 to 3 sentence summary. As always, if you have any questions, please message me on Schoolology or unmute yourself on Remote Learning, and I will help you. Thank you very much, Pirates, and have a super sparkly day.